How to check earnings in Bolt Driver app. Want to see how much you have made today? Here's how to check your earnings in the Bolt Driver app. Open the Bolt Driver app and tap the Earnings or Wallet tab from the home screen. You'll see your daily, weekly, and total income displayed clearly, including trip fares, bonuses, and tips. You can also tap on each day to view a detailed breakdown of individual rides, their distance, and the fare earned per trip. This helps you track which days or hours bring the most income. Keep an eye on weekly summaries to identify your best performing times and locations. How often do you check your Bolt earnings? Daily or weekly? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's how you can check earnings in Bolt Driver app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.